Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right banana clip for your hair length and thickness. Thicker hair needs a larger clip. Once done, detangle and smooth with a fine-tooth comb so strands don't catch. Next, gather an elastic to hold a starting ponytail. Make a 1/2-inch vertical section at the crown and secure it lightly. This creates the anchor. Make sure to leave the rest of the hair loose so you can feed it into the clip in the next step. Open the clip fully and position the curved side against the nape so the arc follows your head. Then, with one hand, guide the anchored section into the inner teeth, and with the other hand, feed the remaining hair downward into the clip. If your hair is thick, make 2-3 layered passes. Feed a section, close slightly, then add more, so tension distributes evenly. Once the hair is seated, close the clip until you hear a light snap. Do not force it shut, because that creates pressure points. To finish, smooth the outer layer with your fingers or comb, tucking any stray ends under the clip edge for a clean look. If you need extra hold, insert 1 or 2 bobby pins through the clip teeth into the hair on each side. This prevents rotation. Once done, check comfort, make sure there's no pinching. If the clip slips or leaves dents, don't panic. Loosen it, remove, resection the hair with smaller portions, and repeat. That simple rework fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.